Are you ready to unlock the secrets to instant attraction and turn her on like never before? Brace yourselves for a sizzling journey because we've got 10 surefire ways to ignite the flames of desire and captivate any woman's heart. Get ready to become a true master of seduction as we reveal the irresistible techniques that'll have her yearning for your touch. 1. Create anticipation. All right, fellas, listen up. If you want to turn her on instantly, you've got to master the art of anticipation. Women absolutely adore using their imagination, so why not fuel their fantasies and get them all fired up for what's to come? Here's the deal. It's all about leaving little notes or dropping hints that'll make her heart race and her mind wander into those naughty territories. Now, don't be afraid to be creative with your little teasers. Maybe you slip a note into her bag, telling her how much you're looking forward to tonight's rendezvous. Or maybe you drop a hint during a casual conversation, mentioning how much fun you had the last time you two were alone together. The beauty of creating anticipation is that it heightens her desire and arousal. By letting her imagination do the talking, you're tapping into her sensual side, and trust me, she'll be counting down the minutes until you're together. 2. Master the art of kissing. When it comes to turning her on, a mind-blowing makeout session is your secret weapon. But here's the thing, no lizard tongues allowed. We're talking about mastering the art of gentle, passionate kisses that'll leave her weak in the knees. First things first, pay attention to her reactions. Every woman is different, so what makes one swoon might not do the trick for another. Take your time to explore and discover what turns her on. It's like unlocking a treasure trove of pleasure. Start with soft, tender kisses and gauge her response. Does she lean in closer? Does she sigh with delight? That's your green light to keep going. Building the intensity gradually is the key here, my friends. Don't rush it, savor the moment, and let the chemistry unfold. Avoid being too aggressive or forceful. Instead, let your lips do the talking. A gentle nibble here and there can be enticing, but always keep it in sync with the rhythm of the moment. The goal is to create an electrifying connection that'll leave her wanting more. Oh, and one last tip. Don't underestimate the power of a well-timed pause. Pull away for a moment and let the anticipation build. Trust me, she'll be begging for you to come back in for more. 3. The power of tantric massage. You know how incredibly intimate and relaxing a professional massage can be, right? Well, imagine taking that divine experience home and giving your partner a sensual massage that'll leave her floating on cloud 9. Let's set the scene for this magical moment. Dim the lights, play some soft, soulful tunes, and light a few scented candles to create that perfect ambiance. The atmosphere alone will set the stage for an unforgettable encounter. Start with her back, my friend. Gently run your hands along her spine, feeling the tension melt away under your touch. You'll notice her muscles loosening, and that's when the real enchantment begins. As you gradually make your way down to her thighs, keep the rhythm slow and deliberate. Let your hands work their magic, tracing delicate patterns that ignite her senses. Use a warm, luxurious massage oil to enhance the experience. Trust me, it's a game changer. Oh, and let's not forget about the art of teasing. Playfully run your fingers along her curves, building anticipation and desire. The buildup is just as enticing as the touch itself. 4. Whisper sweet or dirty. Nothings. Let's talk about the undeniable power of words. They have the ability to stir desire and ignite passion like nothing else. It's all about finding that perfect balance between sweet and dirty. A steamy promise or a genuine compliment, both can work wonders. The key is to make her feel desired and adored in the most captivating way possible. The beauty of whispering sweet or dirty nothings is that it's an intimate exchange of desire and affection. It's a secret language shared only between you and her, a language that builds a bond unlike any other. Words have a unique power to create a sense of closeness and vulnerability, and that's where the real magic happens. Make her feel special and desired, and you'll unlock a realm of passion that'll leave you both craving more. 5. Learn her Rubik's Cube. Every woman is like a beautiful Rubik's Cube, with each side hiding a unique combination of desires and sensations. Your mission is to unlock those hidden pleasures, one tantalizing move at a time. Start with the basics, the classic erogenous zones like her neck, lips, and earlobes. Gently caress and kiss these sensitive areas, letting her know that you're attuned to her desires. As you explore, observe her reactions, the soft gasps, the subtle shivers. They're all clues to her deepest fantasies. 6. Keep the clothes on. Oh, my friends, let's talk about a little throwback to those teenage years, dry humping. You might think it's a thing of the past, but trust me, it's a timeless trick that can still work wonders. And here's the secret sauce. Keep her panties on for as long as possible. Now, I know you might be eager to dive right into the action, but trust me on this one. The art of anticipation is a game changer. By keeping her panties on, you're creating a delicious buildup of desire that'll leave her craving more. It's like teasing her senses, my friends. The longer you keep her panties on, the more you're igniting the fire within. You're taking her on a journey of sensuality, letting her imagination run wild with the possibilities of what's to come. And oh, the moment you finally give in to your desires, it'll be nothing short of explosive. You've built up the tension, and now it's time to let it all unravel. Her pleasure will be intensified, and the connection between you both will reach new heights. 7. Smell good, feel good, hygiene matters, and investing in a good cologne is a game changer when it comes to driving her wild. A good cologne isn't just about covering up any unwanted odors, it's about creating an irresistible aura around you. It's like leaving a trail of desire wherever you go. When you smell good, you feel good, and that confidence radiates in every interaction. Now here's the secret. Choose a cologne that complements your natural scent. You want it to enhance your uniqueness, not overpower it. And remember, a little goes a long way. You don't want to drown her in a cloud of fragrance. When you smell good, you're sending a powerful message. It shows that you take care of yourself, and that's incredibly attractive. You're showing her that you value the experience you're about to share, and that thoughtfulness won't go unnoticed. 8. Shower power. Taking a shower together is a golden opportunity to create a deeper connection and ignite some serious passion. You step into the shower, the warm water cascading over both of you. As you lather up the soap, take this moment to pamper her. Gently wash her hair, run your fingers along her skin, and make her feel like the goddess she is. The vulnerability of being naked together creates an electric atmosphere. It's a moment of trust and closeness where you're both letting your guard down and baring your souls and bodies to each other. Now here's the secret ingredient. Make her feel beautiful. Compliment her, tell her how stunning she looks, and let her know just how much she means to you. The power of affirmations in such an intimate setting is immeasurable. And don't forget to play with the water. Let it run down your bodies, creating a tantalizing sensation that'll leave both of you tingling with desire. The playful moments in the shower can be incredibly arousing and bring out your inner childlike sense of fun. 9. Laughter is the best foreplay. Humor is like a secret weapon in the art of seduction, so don't underestimate its charm. Get ready to crack some jokes, engage in playful banter, and let your wit and sarcasm work wonders in the bedroom. Laughter is a powerful tool that transcends the physical and taps into the emotional. When you make her laugh, you're not just tickling her funny bone, you're making her feel at ease and comfortable around you. In the bedroom, laughter can set the stage for a playful and adventurous encounter. It helps to break down any nervousness or tension, creating a light-hearted atmosphere where you can both let go and have fun. 10. Tickle her weak spot. Every woman is unique, and that means she has her own little nooks and crannies that drive her wild. It's like a secret map waiting to be explored by you, the passionate explorer. Start with a playful approach. Pay attention to her reactions as you touch different areas of her body. Notice the little gasps, the soft giggles, and the shivers that run down her spine. Those are your clues, my friend. They're leading you to her secret paradise. I hope you've enjoyed this wild ride through the art of getting her in the mood. If you have any other tips or tricks that have worked for you, feel free to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that share button and help your fellow brethren out. Stay tuned for more exciting content on relationships, self-discovery, and everything in between. Until next time, my friends.